I ease up no matter how hard me try. Big city life, in my heart have no base. And right now Babylon dip on me case. Big city life, try to get by. Pressure I ease up no matter how hard me try. Big city life, my heart have no base. And right now Babylon dip on me case.
What if I told you that by looking at your DNA sequence, I could tell you if you're going to get cancer in 5 years? Would you want to find out? Mr. Stoizeku became one of the few men in the world to have purchased the full sequence of his genetic code. He paid $350,000 to a company called Gnome to decode his full genome. Gnome, a privately owned company, offers services similar to that of 23andMe, in which for a fee, they will decode one's genome. Unlike 23andMe, which only provides you with a portion of your decoded DNA, Gnome will present you with the full 30,000 letter sequence. Mr. Stoizeku was intrigued by the idea of a more complete picture. Quote, "It is only a part of the truth. Having the full sequence decoded, you can be closer to reality." Gnome speculates that in the future, everyone will have their DNA decoded to help prevent and detect diseases and other heritable risks. After paying the hefty price of $350,000, Mr. Stoizeku recalls what he could have done with the money. Quote, "What the heck am I doing? And how many children in Africa might I have fed?" What if I told you that by looking at your DNA sequence, I could tell you if you're going to get cancer in 5 years? Would you want to find out that kind of information?
Absolutely.
You would?
Positively.
Why?
Why not?
Well, what if you just didn't want to live in the fear of knowing that you're going to get cancer?
We're all going to die at some point. Why not?
We're all going to die at some point. Well, what if you had to pay $300,000 to find out?
I don't think I want to know that.
You don't think you want too much money?
I don't have that kind of money, number one. So I couldn't pay it if I wanted to.
Well, some people do have that money and they're doing it right now. If you could, would you want to do it?
I don't know about that.
Yeah.
Big city life, me try to get by. Pressure I.
What if I told you that by looking at your DNA sequence, I could tell you whether or not you're going to get cancer in 5 years? Would you want to find out?
No.
No? Why not?
I'll be worried about it.
You'd be worried about it?
Ease up no matter how hard me try. Big city life, in my heart have no base. And right now Babylon dip on me case. Big city life, try to get by. Pressure I.
Yes or no? Yes or no question. All right, go ahead. Okay. What if I told you that by looking at your DNA sequence, I could tell you if you're going to get cancer in 5 years? Would you want to find out?
No.
No?
I want to keep it all a secret.
All right. Okay. Thank you.
You wanna know me? Be a friend of mine. I'll share some wisdom with you. Don't you ever get lonely from time to time.
What if I told you that by looking at your DNA sequence, I could tell you that you're going to get cancer in 5 years? Would you want to find out? No, why not?
Because I just live for today.
Live for today?
Yeah.
All right, thank you.
Don't let the system get you down. Big city life, me try to get by. Pressure.
All right. What if I told you that by looking at your DNA sequence, I could tell you if you're going to get cancer in 5 years? Would you want to find out?
I don't know, that's a tough one. No.
No, why not?
Honestly, like, you know, I could get run over by a bus tomorrow. I'd rather
Yeah.
enjoy today and not think about the fact that I'm dying tomorrow.
Okay. All right,
Thanks a lot,
thank you.
guys.
Ease up no matter how hard me try. Big city life, in my heart have no base. And right now Babylon dip on me case. Big city life, try to get by. Pressure I ease up no matter how hard me try. Big city life, my heart have no base. And right now Babylon dip on me case.
All right. What if I told you that by looking at your DNA sequence, I could tell you that you're going to get cancer in 5 years? Would you want to find out? No?
No.
Okay, that's it.
Don't you wanna know me? Be a friend of mine. A friend of mine. I'll share some wisdom with you. Don't you ever get low.
What if I told you that by looking at your DNA sequence, I could tell you that you're going to get cancer in 5 years? Would you want to find that out? It's a tough question.
Yes, I would.
You would? Why would you want to find out?
I would because you wake up well.
Yeah. What if it was $300,000 to find out? Yeah. All right. Okay.
From time to time. Don't let the system get you down. The linguist across the seas and the oceans. A permanent itinerant is what I've chosen. I find myself in a big city prison, arisen from the vision of mankind, designed to keep me discreetly, neatly in the corner. You find me with the flora and the fauna and the hardship. Backyard is where my heart is. Still I find it hard to depart this big city life.